You're on the record in cause number 324508-2. The case is styled the State of Texas versus Brianna Ambers. Ms. Ambers, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Ambers, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God? Okay, put your hand down, Ms. Ambers. How are you doing, Ms. Ambers? You're here, represented by your attorney, Mr. Bruce Smith. Mr. Smith, how are you doing?
Fine, man. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Ambers, the information alleges that on or about April 19 of 2019, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of theft. Ms. Ambers, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Ms. Ambers, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
Guilty.
Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you're guilty?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Ambers, I have before me what has been marked as State's Exhibit number 1. Ms. Ambers, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of the same document, Ms. Ambers, are these your initials on the line that says guilty?
Yes, sir.
And on page 3 of the same document, Ms. Ambers, is this your signature at the top line that says defendant?
Yes, sir.
On the next document, which is the trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, Ms. Ambers, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature above the line that says defendant?
Yes, sir.
There's one box that's checked at the top of this document. This box states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you have the discovery certification?
I do, Your Honor, but I don't have the exhibit.
Okay, the state will provide that. Ms. Ambers, I have before me a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature above the line that says defendant?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. Ambers, prior to signing and initialing these documents, did your attorney, Mr. Smith, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes,
to the best of your knowledge?
sir. Yes, sir.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit number 1. State, you like to offer State's 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay, no objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Smith, you've advised and counseled Ms. Ambers. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Ambers, your attorney, Mr. Smith, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Ambers, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea of guilty and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is that agreement?
The state is offering 90 days probated over 1 year, a $500 fine plus court costs, plus 40 hours of community service.
Yeah, that. That's up. Also, I see on the plea form that is supposed to be running concurrent with a case. Cause number 18-29528, is that correct?
That was disposed of on 8/17/20, but I don't have that in my notes. Just
She's on felony probation.
Okay, but I mean, is that part of the plea bargain or not?
give me just a second. I'm just trying to verify that number.
This case was the ground for the felony case. It's kept her on probation. With the understanding that we you to clear on this case.
Go ahead. Yes, yes, yes.
If the court would like.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's part of it? Okay,
It's
All right.
18-29528.
yes.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, now, Ms. Ambers, the state is offering that you serve 90 days in jail. However, you would not have to serve any time in jail because you'll be placed on probation for 1 year. During the probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $500 plus 300 plus court costs of $357, which comes to a total of $857. You'll also be required to pay probation fees of $60 each month, a urinalysis fee of $15 each month, and this will come to a total of $155 per month. Now, would you be able to pay the $155 per month?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm thinking here, if you're already on probation, that this probation fee will probably, your probation, they probably will take it off because you won't be paying 2 probation fees. She's on probation in Jefferson County?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how long is that probation?
On August 20th, she was placed on probation for 5 years.
Oh, yeah, so this is on it, yeah. Okay, so she probably won't be paying probation fees on this one,
Yes, sir.
but she'll be, because she already paying it on the other one. Now, and the probation will make that adjustment on your fees. Okay, but right now, it's $155 and you'll be able to pay that, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Per month. Now, you'll also be required to perform 40 hours of community service. And this case will run concurrent with your felony case, cause number 18-29528. And you would also have to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of probation. Ms. Amber, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Ambers, I'll follow the pre-bargain agreement that you've entered into with the state. Ms. Ambers, please stand over here and follow the directions of the court clerk. And Ms. Ambers, once you finish here, she'll tell you what you need to do and you can have a good day. And you,
Thank
okay,
you.
you're welcome.
All right, I just need you right down on the blue light. Okay.